Pitong paraan para maiwasan ang SIM card registration errors. Number 1. Use a smartphone with a good quality cameras, both front and rear cameras. Number 2. Use a stable internet connection. If you are using data connection, make sure it is in full signal as much as possible. Number 3. Use a non-reflective IDs, or at least do not position it against the lights. Number 4. Good lighting. Dapat meron po kayong good lighting lalo na po sa inyong pag-selfie. Number 5. Patience. Hindi maiwasan na maka-encounter talaga kayo ng errors as you can see in this video. Number 6. Perseverance. Patuloy lang po mga ka-IT kahit medyo nahirapan ka mag-register dahil eventually magiging successful din po yan. Number 7. For Smart and TNT users, gamitin nyo po ang Gigalife application for easy SIM registration. Here's how to do it po mga ka-IT. You can do this inside or outside sa Gigalife application. Pero sa akin, nakasign up po ako sa Gigalife. Tap this register banner, input your mobile number, and check the terms and conditions and tap next. You will be redirected to OTP input box. Input the OTP, tap proceed. Select the ID that you want to present. Take a photo of your ID. You will see these messages. Avoid tilting, avoid reflection, so on and so forth. Dahil medyo reflective yung aking voter's ID, pinalitan ko ng SSID. Even then, you may still encounter this weird error, itong internet connection failed. But, i-retry lang po ninyo. And yun, selfie time na. Pwedeng ma-encounter mo ang error na ito. But still, just try again. At yun. Usually, nag-autofill po yan ng ating personal information like name. But if wala, you can type it in the designated input box. Then, tap next. You will move on sa pag-input ng inyong address. Tap next. Dito sa summary, review your information. And check this to confirm that all informations are correct. Tap submit. If you encounter this null error, tap X. And resubmit until na mag-successful.